Hello chat, today we have a great opportunity to check out this lovely little Tronsmart Trip Bluetooth speaker. We'll check out the features of this speaker, how loud it is, a sound and bass test, and of course a tech review at the end. Thanks to Tronsmart for this opportunity to test out their speaker. But now, quick magic. Here's the whole package that you get with the Tronsmart Trip speaker, which currently only costs around $25. The package includes a warranty card, USB Type-C charging cable, 3.5mm aux cable, manual, and of course the speaker itself, which is in elongated shape, with two rubberized support feet, control buttons on top, and with a cover on left side, under which is a Type-C charging socket and an aux input for a wired connection. At the opposite end there's a handle. Connecting the speaker to the Bluetooth device is very simple. Turn on the speaker, look for Tronsmart Trip in the wireless devices, and once connected, that's it. You can enjoy the music. With the control buttons you can adjust the volume, switch songs, and connect two speakers together for higher volume and for a more pronounced stereo effect. Now two sound demos so you can hear for yourself what it sounds like.
Can we talk about the truth? I wanna know. Can we talk about me and you? Can we talk about me and you? While I blame the world I'm gonna shine bright. I need to forget the time I lost. Let me forget.
Well, we did say that this Tronsmart speaker is a nice little thing. At $25, it sounds much more powerful than you might expect. Amazing. We also managed to integrate it into a room interior, but because it has IPX7 protection, it's also safe to use at outdoor parties in nature. We can definitely recommend this speaker, preferably two actually, so you can connect them in true wireless mode and have 2 times the fun. This speaker for its price tag is loud enough and the sound is pleasantly neutral. It's definitely not annoying. This speaker costs $25, which is less than the cost of a Pizza Friday party. There is not much we want to say, but we would like to see, first of all, control buttons made of a slightly softer, more pleasant to the touch plastic, and a charging port cover so that it sticks tighter. Otherwise, this is the real price performance killer for parties. As always, we welcome your questions or critique in the comment section. But for now, hit like and subscribe if audio and speaker topics are also close to your heart. Thanks, and have a nice beginning of summer.